What a mess. Look at this. So today we're going to be showing you a bunch of things that I bought on vacation, just shopping around. I saw something cool and I grabbed it, and I'll show you why I grabbed it and which one's going to get a video and which one's not going to get a video. But you'll probably see me using all this stuff on the show. Also, before I bring you in close to show you everything, I want to discuss what's coming up. I've got the Instant Pot Vortex I'm looking at. Brand new air fryer. And that's coming to the show. We're going to review that for you, okay? You guys are going to be really excited about this. And then we're doing the shrimp and jello salad. That's coming to the show. And what else is coming to the show? I think that's it. Are you guys ready to see this mess? There's a ton of stuff here. I'm going to give you a quick glance at it, and then I'm going to show them to you one at a time. Okay, this is called kind of like, I know it's not Christmas in July, I know it's not Christmas, but this is kind of like toys in the kitchen. These are just little knickknacks that I pick up around town. I go into kitchen stores all the time and go, oh, this looks cool. I got to bring this on the show. Some of the stuff I'll do videos on, and some of it I won't. I've got a ton of stuff here. So we're going to go through it one at a time, and I'm going to tell you what each one's for and why I grabbed it. All right, so the first thing I got is this bar here. And this bar lets you hang utensils inside your cabinet so I can get them off the stove. I'm always trying to get my kitchen look cleaner and get rid of stuff. I'm about ready to throw out my toaster because I haven't used it in a year. I don't need a toaster anymore. If I have to, I'll get a little toaster oven or something. But these hook on, and you can put this inside any cabinet, and that's what it looks like on the picture. Now, I will have links down below for every one of these items. If one looks good to you, you might want to invest in it too. But I saw this, I thought it'd be a good idea. What I do is I buy something, I try it. If I don't like it, I give it away. But if I do like it, I keep it, and I keep hanging my utensils inside my cabinet. This is one of the first things I bought. Now, all this junk has been collecting off to the side of the kitchen. I had a bag, and it just kept filling up and filling up. Well, this is one of the first things I bought. I ordered it on the internet myself. I think I saw it on Instagram or something. Anyway, it's a digital measuring cup. It's like a scale inside a measuring cup. A digital measuring cup is what it is. So if you want to weigh something like flour or whatever you need, you fill it up and you watch the digital readout, and you get, I haven't used this yet, but this is something, this won't get a video. The other one won't get a video either. Just something I want to try. So, because there's always two steps. I always put it in the measuring cup, then put it in a bowl. Well, this way I can just put it in the measuring cup. So it's kind of a good idea. But, or I can measure it out and pour it in a bowl, measure it out and pour it in a bowl, measure it out and pour it in a bowl, and leave the last ingredient in this cup. But anyway, it's a digital measuring cup. I thought it was a genius idea, so I wanted to check it out. This one I think I bought at Kohl's. It's a grill flip basket. So you can smoke in it, you can put wings in it, chicken wings in it, you can do whatever you want, vegetables, mushrooms. Nothing burns me than something that's shaped only like one type of food and goes on the smoker, like the corn. Okay, they got one of these baskets that are in the shape of corn, and you put all the corn in and you close it. Well, it doesn't do anything else. Well, this basket does. So I can put all my small ingredients in here to smoke. I can put whatever you want inside this. So this is, you'll be seeing this on probably videos that I'm smoking. Okay, I bought this on the road at an outlet center. This is shake and egg. Crack, shake, and then microwave. It's an as seen on TV. This is going to get a video, but I'm not sure when. I know you guys go crazy over these egg cookers and the bacon cookers, and I just don't understand. But this will get a video. So this product's interesting. This is to wrap around jars. Then you just slide that black piece in, tighten it on the jar, and it helps you open jars. Just in case. I don't have any trouble opening any jars now, but I used to. That's when I bought this. I haven't tried this out yet, but this is great for, if it works. I haven't tried it yet, so I will, I don't think I'm going to do a video on this, but I'll let you know if it works in one video. So I'll just mention it. You know, I'll show it and I'll do it, but I won't get a whole video on this. I'll put this in one of my future videos. So this is how I currently do my salt and pepper. I got all my pepper ground and I got all my coarse salt, and I pinch it and I sprinkle. I pinch and sprinkle. I'm really careful not to cross-contaminate. Put my hand back in once I've touched the meat. If I rubbed it in, I wash my hand again and go back into the seasoning. So I saw this salt and pepper shaker and I thought, well, that's cute. Maybe that'll be easier because I'm just doing a pinch anyway. Just do a sprinkle. So I'm going to try these out on the show. You'll see these. And I love these containers. So I may stick with this. I may stick with this. I don't know, whichever one I love more. So we'll give these a try for a few and let you know. Have you ever bought something twice? You bought it because you needed it and you never used it, and then you bought it because you needed it still? Well, my electric, you guys remember the electric bottle opener, right? It died. I have to charge it. So this is in case of an emergency. I don't drink wine, but when I cook with it, I want to open a bottle real fast and deglaze the pan. I need something like this when my electric is dead. Right now I have to charge it up again. And I'm not sure which one. This one looks better because it's got the rubber right here. So I'm probably going to keep this one. This one was bought at, I think at Kohl's. And this one was at Kitchen Collection in Bluffton somewhere. I can't remember, but I got two of them. So anyway, probably keeping this one and giving that to a friend. Okay, this thing, flimsy box, a rapid pizza reheater. So I don't eat pizza, but I'll try it out for you guys. I'll order a pizza or I'll buy a pizza and I'll cook it and then I'll put it in the refrigerator and then I'll go to reheat it and let you know if this thing works. All right, it's the world's, you know when people say world's best, it gets me. I have to see. World's best way to reheat perfect pizza. So we'll check this out. It doesn't feel like it's anything in here, but there is something in here and this is going to get a video. Silicone tip clamps. There you go. I love these. These are nice and small. This is for grabbing stuff out of the frying pan. And I don't want my big ones like for the grill or it depends on what you're grabbing, but these small ones are great. I don't have one this size other than these two. So they're 7 inches right now. I got these, I believe I got these at Kohl's. This will not get a video, but this is something I'm going to use because my hand is just coming back and some things I got to do with one hand, and this is going to be great for crushing things and just smashing it up and all that. This tool right here. What's it called? I don't know what it's called. They call it Deluxe Pastry Blender. That's it. You know what these are? You know what these are? That's for onion. That's for tomato. How many times have you not finished a whole onion or finished a whole tomato? You just wanted a slice. You have to put your tomato in something. You put it on a little plate and you put it, and it gets all wrinkled and dried up in the refrigerator, or your onion stinks up the entire refrigerator. These are containers to put leftover sliced tomato. Well, it's the whole part. It's not been sliced yet. Whatever's left on the tomato can go in here. Whatever's left on the onion can go in this one. I don't know if I'll ever use these. But what a brilliant idea. So I had to grab them just in case. Okay, this is the second thing I bought out of all this junk. I first bought the measuring cup that weighs, and then it's like a digital measuring cup, and then this mixing bowl I got so I can grab it with my hand, put my hand on it, and I can mix away, and my hand can hold it. So you'll probably be seeing this on the show for sure. I'm sure I'm mixing something soon. But this handle is just, see, I can take my hand off it. This handle is just amazing. So it's going to help me be able to mix things, and I'm always mixing stuff. So this is going to come in handy. And it's got a nice pouring spout. You can just pour it right out. This is just a cute little device. I already have one. It's a different shape, but this is a zester on that side right there, and you can just kind of on your limes or your lemons and get the zest of the lemon and zest of the lime into your recipe. So that's what this is. It looks like it's easy to clean. If it's not, I'll just get rid of it. But I don't know why I bought that. I already have one. I don't know. I guess I was intrigued by the cute little design. All right, this was at a kitchen store in, I think, Bluffton. And I looked at it, and this whisk, you can use metal, you can use silicone. I don't know what you guys use. I'm not a big fan of silicone because it doesn't whisk as well and things get caught in it. But this whisk has a ball in the inside. I don't know if that's a novelty idea or something, but, and then it's got a metal ball whisk inside, then it's got a metal bearing ball inside that. So it only helps me whisk even faster. So I'm going to try it out. If it doesn't work, I'm going to get rid of it. I'll just toss it. But I thought that was a cool little design, and I was intrigued by it. Okay, this I got at Kohl's. Everybody knows that Racel Ray cookware and everything is at Kohl's. I bought this. This is an olive oil container that you'll just pour out into your pan or whatever. Since this came out years ago, I don't know how long it's been around, but she has cool different colors, and I have wanted one of these bottles. I use a stupid plastic one. So that's the bottle I normally use. This is the one I'm going to be using. I haven't opened it yet or cleaned it out and got it ready. But from now on, my oil will be in here. It'll be safe and in a nice container, not this little dollar bottle. Anyway, and we'll try it out. But I've always wanted this bottle. I don't know why. Ever since it came out. This is exactly what it looks like. It is a scrub brush for your barbecue grill, and I need one. And this is a monster. You could tell what I bought from a kitchen store, like at an outlet center, cheap old kitchen store, and I got at Kohl's. This one was at Kohl's because it's built a little bit better. This has got the 2 ways to scrub. Scrub with the wire, and then you can use the wire brush. And this is a monster. So I'm going to be using this outside to clean off the grill before my videos. And you probably won't see me use this. But this is available at Kohl's. And I don't remember how much I paid a couple dollars for it. But it just feels great. The other ones felt flimsy and cheap. And I never bought those. I mean, wire brushes can go from totally cheap to totally expensive. So this one had everything I needed on it. And I think this will do a good job on the grill. I have my own silicone brush, but this is cool. I really like this together. And it's got a little loop to keep things, I don't know why this loop is going to have to come off so I can get my sauce out. This is a little device for putting your sauce in on the barbecue. You can put it right on the grill and warm it and stir it with the brush. Came with a silicone brush inside. See that? You got your sauce, you got your pouring spouts. It's pretty much perfect. I got to figure out what this lip is for. There's a reason they built it that way, and I'm not sure. This will be shown on the show, but will not get its own video. You don't need me to show you how to press hamburgers, do you? This is a hamburger press. So that I always wanted one of these. I had one. I've reviewed them before. This one it's built out of metal. I want a nice looking hamburger when I serve it, and I want it to be round and perfect thickness, and this is going to help me do the perfect hamburger basically. So we're going to press out a bunch. I'm doing a new thing with my burgers. I press out the burgers and I lay them all out on wax paper and then put them in the fridge and firm them up and then hit them with the fire and cook them, and they tend to stay together better. All right, so that's a hamburger press, a barbecue hamburger press. I don't know when, but this is going to get a video also. This was like a $10 I got at the kitchen store. It was a Cuisinart Mandoline. And I've heard people love these things and they use these things, and I don't know where I'd use it. I mean, slicing onions, I mean, I know where I'd use it, but would I really use it? It's easy to just get a knife and just start cutting. But I'm going to try this out. I'm going to do a video on it and see if mandolins are worth the investment. This was only $10. That's why I grabbed it, because it was all on clearance. And this will get its own video. So that's all my kitchen gadgets have been laying around. The worst part is, I'm done filming this video, I gotta find a spot for all this in my kitchen, outdoors, somewhere. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put all this stuff. So I gotta stop buying these little kitchen gadgets. But all the links are down below in case any of them appeal to you and interest you and you want to try them out, all right? But in the meantime, be looking for some of these videos. Be looking for me to use these gadgets in my videos. And don't forget, I got the Heritage Steel cookware set. I'm going to their factory. I'm going to be doing that video. That might be on Jack and the Go. I'm not sure yet. But we're going to tour how they make multi-clad cookware. My stainless steel cookware. Yeah. So that's coming up. But in the meantime, you guys have a good day. I love you, and I will talk to you on the next episode.